Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp keeps stopping on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is relaunching the WhatsApp app. Give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. If your internet speed is low, you may face WhatsApp keeps stopping problem. Thus, to fix any kind of network-related issues on your device, try some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. The surest way to fix that is clearing the WhatsApp cache data on your phone. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause this problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. For this, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the error. Automatically syncing data to your Android takes up space, means you'll need free storage space for all that data to go. One possible way to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping problem is to free up space on your device. Keep at least 3 to 4 GB free to help mitigate any storage issues. It's possible that the WhatsApp app contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing this problem. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the WhatsApp app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store and type WhatsApp in search box. Click on WhatsApp and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account, and see if the problem is solved or not. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve WhatsApp keeps crashing, stopping, or freezing issue, then use the Android Repair tool. It can fix many app-related errors and issues on Android, such as the Snapchat keeps crashing, black or blue screen of death error, and more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp keeps stopping on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.